If you're seeing this message, we can't sign into your account, the problem can be fixed by signing out of your account, then signing back in. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it in a few simple steps. From the taskbar search, let's type regedit. Right-click on the registry editor and select Run as Administrator. Once in the registry editor, let's copy this path from the video's descriptions and paste it on top in the address bar and hit enter. This takes you to where Windows stores all the user profile information. Now look for two similar folders that starts with S-1-5-21. One ends normally like -1001 and the other one ends in BACK. If you see both, follow along carefully. Right-click on the one without the .BAK at the end and select delete. We're removing the broken profile so Windows won't try to load it again. Now right-click on the one that ends with .BACK and select rename. Remove the .BACK and press enter. This tells Windows to use the working backup profile instead. Inside that same folder, double-click on the state and set its value to 0. Then click OK. This resets the profile status so Windows can load it correctly. Now go ahead and close the registry editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your PC restarts, try signing in again. And you should now be back into your regular account with everything just the way it was. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and if it did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.